Ka Central Integrated Pest Management Center ka bahab apo ka Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Directorate Plant Protection, Quarantine and Storage kala penlong nya kajing ajing hikai ka ba arsni ki nongrep harilom jantia banyada yu jyntang baru sok ka ba hagilin kha hajawa kani kajing ajing hikai kala sedang do ka khat lai terik malapen kot pat ka khat saw terik ubnai risau arajar arpo a Hagani ka jing ai jing hikai na lor balapan I ha perda laya lamru shiki lengka yiki nongrep ki badan hado saw pongut kumno banyada yu jyntang bat ukuba ha ki lengka jongki na ki khniang ki bawan hiar thma yu jyntang ka bawan ra ru yiki jingdo nong ka ba khrau yiki pat nongrep yakani ka jing ai jing hikai la penlong ha ka jaka ai jing hikai ka office of district agriculture officer jong ka west jantia hills district but kani ka training latip yaka kum ka HRD orientation training program for farmers on integrated pest management in paddy cultivation. Hakani ka jing ai jing hikai la yadan lang district agriculture officer uba EMH pasa nalor ki rew shampang jong ka central integrated pest management center Shillong ki bakinthum ya plant protection officer Gokulram M Dr. Devaraja KP na ke APPO ke Aroti Hazaika na ke APPO ya ka jingalang la penyai da uma S Sincon Agriculture Development Officer Hakani ka jing ai jing hikai ya ki nongrep la lai jurip ya ki penthor ki hali ha ka them jong ka wa mentru ha sentuk siar ban shim jing khen ya ka baratip kum ka agro ecosystem analysis ha ka bara phia ya ki nongrep ha ki saw kin hon na ka benta ban le ya ka jing jurip ya ki jat khniang ki ba punjulor bat ki jat khniang ki ba jing ya da ya ukuba
Last week our team has been conducted on a survey in this area. We found some of the pest and diseases. So to mitigate that measures, we have formulated this orientation training program for farmers and agriculture officers with the help of a state department. The objective of training is to train the farmers and agriculture officers in regarding integrated pest management strategy for prevailing pest as well as the disease. So today we have conducted the training for the 40 farmers and 5 agriculture station functionaries in these records. So activities followed in the field is that we made the group 40 members into 4 groups. All the 4 groups has been named as the defenders names and they have taken to the field. We conducted the agro ecosystem analysis. Agro ecosystem analysis is a systematic procedure to what we have to do it in the field to take any decisions in case of plant protections or input anything depending upon the climatic conditions, soil conditions, water level, pest and diseases level. So all the all the groups has been made as small groups. They have went to the field one by one. They have made the observations. The first step is called field inspection by the small groups. They have observed, collected the pest and defenders and they have recorded the data, number of pests and per the fields and all. Then they have reassembled to the second step for the drawing, ASR drawing, where they are interpreting all the data into the form of presentation with the charts, drawings, with a pictorial representation of pest and defenders. That they used to calculate the pest defender ratio by the help of the facilitators and state functionaries. Then the third step will be like the analysis, agro ecosystem analysis with available collected data, what the farmers are getting concluded. What is the further course of action the farmer has to do with the help of the facilitators. The facilitators will help us to determine what conclusion has to decide. Then the fourth step is the ASA presentations. Out of the group farmers who is able to come out with voluntarily to present the data what they have recorded and what is the final conclusions they are taking with the available inputs. Here the critical point comes where all the functionaries, all the plant protection officers are available, where they can determine that whether the conclusion taken by the farmer is good or it has to be corrected or it has to be verified according to